Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to log into your MetaMask account. Alright, let's begin. Firstly, you'll have to go to your MetaMask app. Once you open your app, you'll be given two options. You create a new wallet or to import using secret recovery phrase, which means logging into your old account. To log into your account, tap on import using secret recovery phrase. Once you tap on that, you'll have to enter your secret recovery phrase. Once you enter your secret recovery phrase, then you will have to enter your new password. Once you enter your new password, then you will have to enter your password again to confirm the password. Once you type the password down again, then you may tap on the import button below to log into your account. You will have to make sure that you have your secret recovery phrase correct. Once you do that, then you will be successfully logged into a MetaMask account. So that's basically how you can log into your MetaMask account. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.